between San Antonio and Austin, a little bit off to the north there. And anyhow, God bless to you, sir. To you and the whole household out that way. Take it easy. Catch you later. Texas Tornado, right here in the big one. We're in Alamo City and out back quiet.
Texas Tornado, pull you across the